Good day, learners! I'm back! Once again, I am Miss Faye Andinglasan from Andres Inocan National High School, SDO of General Trias City. Welcome to another fruitful episode of Quarter 4, Week 4 of Health Education, Grade 7. Here's our milk for today based on Pivot Bao. Correct myths and fallacies about non-communicable diseases. As for your task for this week, you will first identify the myths and fallacies about non-communicable diseases. Second, differentiate myths from facts about non-communicable diseases. And last, work on the assessment, evaluation, and reflection tasks. On our previous lesson, you have discovered the common non-communicable diseases. Today, let us explore some myths and fallacies about these non-communicable diseases. This lesson will focus on identifying the myths and fallacies about non-communicable diseases. Identifying myths and fallacies about non-communicable diseases will aid us to avoid wrong practices and misconceptions about them. Are you ready? Let's begin. NCDs cannot be prevented. They run in families. Preventing NCDs is complicated and expensive. NCDs mainly affect older people. NCDs affect men more than women. All NCDs are preventable. Do you believe in these myths about non-communicable diseases? It is important for us to know if these myths are facts or just some fallacies, because misconceptions about non-communicable diseases may lead us to serious health problems. Learners, let's discuss some myths and facts about non-communicable diseases. Here we go! Here are some myths and fallacies that can directly impact our health. NCDs cannot be prevented. They run in families. Preventing NCDs is complicated and expensive. NCDs mainly affect older people. NCDs affect men more than women. All NCDs are preventable. Let's look at the fact behind these myths and fallacies. Myth: NCDs cannot be prevented. They run in families. Fact: NCDs can be prevented through a variety of measures at the community or population and individual levels. One example is through practicing good health habits. Myth: preventing NCDs is complicated and expensive. Fact: many NCDs can be prevented by following simple, inexpensive, and effective strategies. Examples are proper diet, regular exercise, health checkup, and etc. Myth: NCDs mainly affect older people. Fact: half of these diseases occur in adults under 70 years of age, and the problems often begin in the young. One example is obesity. Myth: NCDs affect men more than women. Fact: NCDs affect women and men almost equally and globally. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in women. Myth: all NCDs are preventable. Fact: not all NCDs are preventable, but about 80% of them can be prevented, delayed, or controlled. Did you know that we have our own Filipino myths and fallacies about NCDs? Here are some Philippine myths and fallacies about NCDs. Taking a bath on a Friday will make one sick. An amulet or anting-anting protects the wearer from diseases and helps counteract witchery. Relapse or binat caused by eating certain kinds of food or by cutting the hair too soon after illness. This is best treated by fumigating the patient with smoke produced by burning the offending food or the patient's hair. Again, it is important to know if these myths are facts or just some fallacies, because misconceptions about non-communicable diseases would lead us to serious health problems. Let us take a look at our learner's task. Here's an example of a student accomplishing the task, fact or fallacy, and beyond the classroom.
A blessed day, everyone. I am James Carlos Asperin, a student of Andres A. Ilocos National High School from the SDF General Trias City. Today, I will answer 2 tests regarding some myths and fallacies about non-communicable diseases. Let's begin. For the first activity, I will read and identify if the given statement is a fact or fallacy. Number 1. Many NCDs can be prevented by following simple, inexpensive, and effective strategies. Fact. Number 2. NCDs affect men more than women. It's fallacy. Number 3. Not all NCDs are preventable, but about 80% of them can be prevented, delayed, or controlled. Answer: fact. Number 4. NCDs cannot be prevented. They run in families. Answer: fallacy. Number 5. Taking a bath on a Friday will make one sick. Answer: fallacy. For the second task, beyond the classroom, I will analyze and answer the following questions. What are some of the examples of the myths and fallacies about non-communicable diseases that you often hear in your community? My answer is, eating ketchup or cocoa to cure asthma is one of the myths and fallacies that I usually hear in your community. Number 2, search for scientific proof to alcohol. My answer is, based on the information that I have gathered, there is no cure for asthma. There is no basis that this practice eating alcohol will bring relief to the symptoms of cancer.
For our episode next week, we will learn more tips on how to prevent and control non-communicable diseases. It will be another insightful lesson to learn for health education. Thank you for connecting with us at Pivot Gabay, your quick guide to learning, only here at Pivot TV. See you next time. Happy learning!